we are going to add factors college ki taraf se. Why do you do this? Why do you do this?
I love it.
I have to remove this mask every time I have to record. This is crazy. I love it. So add factors has a gym.
हम इतने ज़्यादा अच्छा है कि नहीं डर लग रहा है कि हम इन्हें चूज करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे.
Actually, because whatever happened was actually good PR. गोली काट देंगे.
Correct, will not see me anymore.
Why would you say that? So, Stuti convinced me that, you
There
should
should be a vlog on me now.
because the thing is, people have started recognizing her as a result of my vlogging.
Yeah.
But the thing is, this is...
Going to add factors.
Yes, that's what I was about to say. Ki we are going to add factors college ki taraf se. No, you made it special. Shut up. So...
Hi guys.
So you remember him?
Grateful that I featured in his vlog. All the best to him. Subscribe, like and share.
Thank you so much. So yes, we are going to add factors and yes, it's gonna be a visit. And let's go. So the buses are here. There are 2 buses this time because the thing is, last time there were less people because of Diwali break. There wasn't really a break, but yes, people had gone to their hometowns. But this time there are a lot of people going. So we have 2 buses. And yes, these buses are going to take us to the at factors wala jagah and whatever. And yeah, Dimple fir se. Hi everybody. Hello. So we are on the bus and pata nahi kab niklenge. But yes, we are all ready to go and let's vlog.
A few moments later.
Yellow, one solid masti chai. Yellow, control karo mere bhai. Dhak ke ye dil chanchal mole apne sari churiya. Mastari dil bajani Oh my God, this mask pollution in Delhi. But yes, we are here and yeah. Virochini, you were saying hi. You can say hi. It's okay, hi. And yeah.
Hello.
This is Trisha. This is Kirti, and I don't remember your name. I'm not gonna lie. Piyush.
नहीं प्रियांशी नाम है उसका.
Yeah, Priyanshu. So yeah, we are here and
नाम है उसका.
oh my God, shut up! Why do you do this? Why do you do this?
I love it.
What the heck? Okay, so yeah, we're going to Art Factors and let's see how that place is. I have to remove this mask every time I have to record, but yes, here we are at Ad Factors, Yera, and it seems to be a good place. I'll just show you. So this is hello, hi. So this is actually a cafeteria where there's a seating arrangement here, and probably there's gonna be a session or whatever because I can see a screen in front of me. Hello, hi. So yeah, there's a screen in front of me. So I don't know who's gonna take the session or whatever, but yes, let's see.
How was the pitch? And I said, "Abhi hum founder ko bata ke aaye hain ki PR hota kya hai." So so it actually happened.
2 hours later.
So the session has got over and
So
was
Harsh
interesting.
needed to explore. Basically, all of us this.
I said it. I want a tour of this place, but I guess it's not happening. Tour of this place. So yeah, it was a good session. there was a senior who's been working here since 8 years, for 8 years, I'm sorry. And yep, she's from IIMC Delhi campus only. So yeah, we got to learn a lot. Kikru asked me questions I was not able to understand. So I feel bad for her.
And when she slept.
Just slept? What the heck? Okay, yeah. So right now we are eating stuff.
Inside.
Yeah, definitely insightful. So yeah, we're eating
Good
things. Okay. There's dogla and sandwiches and stuff. So yeah, we'll talk to you later. So guys, कैसा है? How was this session?
Stop. Flop. Genuinely flop.
Just because we did not get a tour of this place.
डर लग रहा है कि IIMC के बच्चे हमें चूज करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे.
मतलब मैं समझा नहीं आपकी बात.
जो भी बोलो व्लॉगिंग अच्छी कर लो, लाइफ बहुत अच्छी है.
Actually, I look so good.
हम इतने ज्यादा अच्छे हैं कि नहीं डर लग रहा है कि हम इन्हें चूज करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे.
Actually, because whatever happened was actually good PR. Good PR. They did good PR. They were here to convince us to join their agency, which apparently is eventually our choice. So we're gonna decide. So I just want to share this. This is crazy. I love it. So At Factors has a gym. This is not so organized, but the thing is, there are dumbbells. I trained my biceps just now and I love it. It's crazy. Like, I mean, if there's a gym, why wouldn't I choose it? So yeah, I mean, it's not organized. I don't know how they are going to go about this, but wow, this is nice. So this seems to be a pretty place. Let me show you. Virochni, do you imagine yourself working here someday?
Yeah, of course. I have a sore throat, which is though, but I really want to work here for experience.
Yeah.
I really like the ambience of the office.
Actually, that is true. 100 points for that.
A few moments later.
So we're leaving now. We're done with that refreshment that we had. Hi, Amiza.
Hi.
मुझे लोग ऐसे ही मिल रहे हैं. मुझे पीछे कोई दिखता है, मैं उसे व्लॉग में ले लेता हूँ. Because I feel it may, they may feel bad कि मैंने include नहीं किया, so I just do it. But anyway, yeah, we're outside outside At Factors. And yes, I don't know, maybe we're gonna go back to IIMC, and from there, everyone will go back to their houses separately. So yeah,
Love time.
yeah. Yeah, introduce yourself.
My name is Vishal and I'm his classmate.
Yeah.
And I'm also classmate.
Yes,
I've
these
just
are all
joined.
my classmates.
Just joined.
Yeah.
Hi.
सब काले दिख रहे हैं, but पीछे बस है. ऐसे इधर की तरफ आ जाओ. And yeah, visit over. Good day. Or back to IIMC. So,
Chandan is replying the worst answer of all time. He just told me to be a robot after I'm done with my college. What?
I just said robot.
Yeah.
I just said in corporate, there's a reality कि बाबा आपको काम करना पड़ता है 24 hours. Like
No.
Okay.
This is the reality. The reality.
The reference. The reference is corporate. Just say, corporate culture.
The moment he started touching the Kadir.
So anyway, do you want to say anything about the visit that we had?
Visit was nice.
Cafeteria.
A lot of exposure.
Full class.
Let me speak. The visit was nice. A lot of exposure. You get to know how industry work, how interdepartmental coordinations are there. And उसके बाद Kikru will there. Kikru, please.
If I'm working there, you'll see me in the cafeteria at least half of the time.
Yeah.
See you there.
And now finally say, shut up, Chandan.
Shut up, Chandler.
So Kikru, listen. If I tell you to speak in Haryanvi, I'll give you a sentence. Would you try?
What am I getting?
No, just say this. गोली काट देंगे.
Gory
गोली काट देंगे is like I'll shoot you, but it's not in the literal sense. It's more like,
अबे मेरे को लगा
Can be in the literal sense.
गोलियां काट देंगे.
हाँ, गोली काट दे. मतलब I'll shoot you.
अच्छा.
That's what it means.
I'm talking about my balls. Cutting my balls.
Let's end this clip. Thank you, Chandan. So yes, I am gonna alight now from the bus because I have to go to the Dholakwa. Stop doing this, why, Chandan? Come on, such a prick. But yeah,
You will not see me anymore.
why would you say that?
No, I mean you're getting down from here, right? I'm going to.
I that was just
That was dumb.
yeah, that was something else. But yeah, okay, fine.
It's just
We'll see you tomorrow online class if you remember. Okay.
Guys, हमने ज्यादा मस्ती कर ली बस में तो हमें यही हैंग दिया उठा के metro पे. So
Okay.
now it's a weird coincidence, but he met me after a long day.
Yeah.
So let's close the vlog now.
Okay, fine. So with this, let's even end the vlog. I'm gonna go to, as I said, Dholakwa and gonna go back to my house. And yes, it was a fun day. It was good. I forget, it was the very first time I went to an ad agency and I got to learn a lot. It's not just about what the speakers said, but it's even about the experience. It's how the place made you feel. So yes, it was a good experience, my first, and I would say I had fun. Everybody do subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment, whatever that there is, and have a great life. As I always say, bye-bye. Enjoy.